Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate y'all. Look, y'all, today we're gonna have a continuation of the last video, and I'm gonna actually do a proper review on that Coach Theo Camera Bag that I got from Amazon that was such a mess to get. So I'm gonna do a proper review. We're gonna unwrap everything, and I'm gonna take all the wrapping and everything off and show you the bag, do a few mod shots for you. I did want to do a proper review on it. If you saw the last video, you saw the struggle I had to get that bag, and I did decide to keep it. I do collect the Pride collection from Coach, and I have many bags in that rainbow print, as you might can see behind me here. So I did decide to keep the bag because it is very cute, and it was actually undamaged, even though it came in this envelope from Amazon. That's how they ship my bag, but let's open it up together. But before I do that, I do want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel if you already have, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you would like, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me before you leave so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all please do. Hop on over, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, as you'll see if you go check it out. And I post high quality images of stuff I review and share other things on my Instagram page as well. So definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can also shop my personal Depop closet as well. I've got quite a few things on there right now. If you're interested, check it out. With all that being said, y'all, if everybody could just stop, take a moment, give this video a thumbs up for a like, I do appreciate that. And don't forget to hype my video in the YouTube app as well. So let's get on with the unboxing again of this camera bag, the Theo Camera Bag from Coach that was such a mess, but this is it. It came in the envelope, y'all, and y'all already saw if you watched on the video. We did unwrap it together, but here it is again. And it's in the plastic. I just wrapped it back up so I could unbox it for y'all and show y'all the details. So let's get it out here and we're gonna go over some details of it. But here it is, wrapped all up. So let's get all the wrapping off of here, and here's the bag. Really cute little Theo Camera Bag. It's the rainbow print. And if you watched the last video, this bag is $350 on the Coach website, but they kept sending me discounts of $140, and then they wouldn't honor it when I would go to the website, and it was $350 still. So I found it on Amazon, and the price kept going down, and it was like $128, I believe. So I got the bag, here it is, and let's go over it together here, and it's really nice. I really love the canvas material that these are made out of. So let's unwrap it. I'm gonna get all the wrapping off. Let me just show you a little 360 of this bag, and then I'll get everything off of it for you. So here's the front side of it. I love the rainbow on it. It's really pretty. Love the Coach embroidered on it too. And all of the little rainbows are also embroidered. I don't know if they're actually stitched in or glued on or something, but they are attached. So here's the back of the bag. It does have a pocket in the back. It still has the styrofoam in it. I'll take that out in a moment for you, but that's pretty much a 360 of the bag. And let me go ahead and get all this packaging and stuff out and the stuffing on the inside, and I'll show you some details up close to this bag. All right, y'all, so I managed to get all of the packaging and stuffing out of the bag, and here it is. Let me show it to you up close a little bit, and you can see that embroidery a little bit better. Very nice, and it has this really light colored leather on it that I like. Let me just do a 360 again now that I have everything off of it. It has a D-ring on the side here so that you can attach your strap, which I'll show you in a moment, and there's that light colored leather there on the side that I really love, and the canvas material in this feels really good. There's your back side there, and it's got those 6 little rainbow embroidered on it, and your leather across the top, and then you have your little slip pocket in the back there. There's the inside of the slip pocket. So it's just a small little bag. There is the other side here, and you have your little hang tag here with Coach on it. All right, so the hang tag actually says the Pride collection on it, and then on the other side it has your rainbow and Coach there, Coach and rainbow, so really pretty. And then of course you have your little tassel that you hang it from. It has Coach on the little piece there, and your D-ring to hang your strap from. And then there is the zipper pull there in leather, in that light colored leather. So I love that. There's the bottom of the bag. Just simple and canvas, which I like. And this will be good to put just my essentials in to carry crossbody. So I'll show you what it looks like crossbody in a second. Let's open it up, and I'm gonna show you the inside of this bag. The zipper works very nice on it, which I'm happy about. And then the inside is this really pretty khaki color as well, as you can see down in there. And then you have a slip pocket here, and it has a snap, and the snap has Coach logoed on it as well. And then you also have your Creed patch in there as well, if you can see that down on the inside there. And let me see, does this one? Yes, it does. It has the rainbow on the Coach print there, if you can see that. All right, so I did want to show you the inside of it. They are hard to get into where you can see close-up details of it, but that is the inside of this little bag. All right, now that I've shown you the outside of it, let me show you the strap, and then I'm gonna show you some mod shots with it on. So the strap on this one is really nice, and I have another bag like this, and I've got a couple of these rainbow straps. They're very nice. A little different color leather on the other ones I have. I think it's a little darker, but these do have the dog leash style attachment pieces there. And of course, they're gonna have Coach logoed on the little round piece on the front there. Okay, and then you've got your rainbow strap that is so vibrant and pretty. And then you also have your adjustable buckle there, and the adjustable buckle has Coach on it right there. All right, and it's a pretty long strap here and very nice rainbow color. So that is your strap that goes with it. So I really love this little bag. I love all of this Pride collection that they came out with. And if you didn't know, Gay Pride Month is the whole month of June, and we celebrate it every year. I celebrate it all year long, but June is the actual official month, and I can actually get these bags out and carry them a little bit more. And I'm also happy that Coach actually supports the LGBTQ community, and I'm really happy to see what y'all are gonna come out with this coming up Pride. So please do something really fabulous for us. All right, y'all, let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you some mod shots with this cute little Pride bag. All right, y'all, so that is the bag on me, and this is with the strap extended all the way out, so it is a really great length on me, I believe. Y'all let me know what you think about this look in the comments. It looks great with just a casual look, which I wear a lot of. Do a lot of jean shorts in the summer and just t-shirts and stuff like that, but anything comfortable. I do live in the South, so it gets very hot here, so we try to stay comfortable as we can. But this is the Coach Theo Camera Bag, and it's in that Pride collection, and I'm really happy that I was able to get it for such a great steal. And I think it looks really cute on me, and I'm glad to add it to my Pride collection. So thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all don't forget to comment and like on this video as well. I do appreciate that. All right, y'all, so that's my review for today on this really nice Coach Theo Camera Bag and this beautiful Pride collection. And I'm so happy I got it. Like I said, y'all don't forget to comment on this bag and let me know what you think about it in the comment section of this video. And don't forget to hit the like button for me as well. I do appreciate that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I've got a couple more Coach bags coming up for you very soon, and one of them is very special to me. So y'all don't want to miss out on that. And y'all, I'll see y'all on my next video review, okay? Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.